Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to customize WPForms. First, open your form in the WPForms builder. You can easily change field labels and add helpful placeholders for user guidance. Simply drag and drop fields to rearrange their order on your form. This intuitive interface allows for quick adjustments, ensuring your form looks exactly as you envision it. We will cover many customization options to make your form stand out. Now, let's dive into more advanced field options. Conditional logic is a powerful tool, allowing you to display or hide fields based on previous user selections, creating dynamic forms. You can also adjust field sizes, like making a text field span 50% of the form's width. For unique visual flair, apply custom CSS classes to any field, giving you precise control over its appearance. Next, we'll explore overall form layout and styling. WPForms offers several pre-built templates to give you a head start, saving you valuable time. For more specific design needs, you can add custom CSS directly to your WordPress theme's style sheet. Additionally, use layout fields like a 2-column layout to organize your form content neatly, enhancing readability and user experience. Finally, let's talk about what happens after a user submits your form. You can easily configure email notifications to send submission details to one or more email addresses. Craft personalized confirmation messages that users see immediately after submitting, or choose to redirect them to a specific thank you page. These post-submission actions ensure a smooth and professional user experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.